Individuals with the master number 11, often referred to as old souls, possess all the traits of a number 2, but with enhanced abilities. It is essential for those with this number to understand the impact of their vibration, and one of their greatest challenges is learning to accept and rely on their faith rather than logic. The number 11 is recognized as the most spiritual vibration in numerology, and individuals with this number have a paramount mission in life to aid others. People with this number have a unique set of skills that can be attributed to their keen intuition, which appears to others as clairvoyant or psychic ability. Their powerful insight is directly linked to their empathetic nature, and they are known for being sensitive, charismatic, intelligent, responsive, relatable, intuitive, respectful, and mature. They possess a strong intellect and perceptive nature, which makes them appear to have supernatural gifts. They are incredibly creative and often stand out from the crowd. Individuals with the master number 11 are loving and observant, and they have no trouble accepting and considering different viewpoints. They were born to serve others, and their ability to empathize is directly correlated to their mission in life. People with this vibration appreciate and prefer a routine, and they feel a strong sense of duty towards others. If they can balance their gifts and faith, individuals with this number will lead rewarding and extraordinary lives. They are often predisposed for positions in management, politics, finance, and business. Regarding love, those with the master number 11 prefer partners with similar interests, and their keen insights make them mindful of their partner's feelings at all times. They are normally attractive and loyal, and they put substantial effort into making a relationship work. If you're a master number 11, try to find someone who's also a master number 11, master number 22, or master number 33. Your relationships will then be less abusive, or let's say complicated. It is essential for individuals with this vibration to avoid drugs and alcohol, as they have a tendency to develop unhealthy habits. They might suffer from insomnia and exhibit signs of hypersensitivity. They must learn to appreciate their gifts and combat bouts of self-consciousness and self-criticism. People with this number often take on too much responsibility, leading to stress, anxiety, and depression. They must learn to relax and avoid biting off more than they can chew. However, they have heightened abilities and powers. These people are recognized for their spiritual, intellectual, empathetic, intuitive, mature, and charismatic nature. They are also extremely creative and tend to stand out from the crowd. The master number 11 is associated with clairvoyant and psychic capabilities, and people with this number often have a strong sense of empathy and an ability to listen to diverse opinions. They have a preference for routine and possess a strong sense of responsibility towards others. If they can balance their talents and beliefs, they usually have extraordinary lives. Regarding their love life, individuals born under this number tend to seek partners with similar interests and invest significant effort in their relationships. The number 11 in numerology is considered to be the most intuitive and spiritual of all numbers. It is believed to be the symbol of the spiritual messenger, and people with this number in their numerology chart are thought to have a higher purpose in life. The number 11 is also believed to represent enlightenment, illumination, and inspiration. People with the master number 11 in their numerology chart are often referred to as old souls and have a natural connection to the spiritual realm. They are highly intuitive, empathetic, and sensitive individuals who possess an extraordinary amount of creativity and insight. However, one of the greatest challenges for people with the master number 11 is to learn to accept and trust their intuition rather than relying solely on logic. They must learn to balance their spiritual gifts with their practical responsibilities in order to achieve their full potential. In terms of career and life purpose, people with the master number 11 are often drawn to creative and spiritual pursuits, such as art, music, writing, and spiritual counseling. They are also well suited for leadership positions, particularly in fields that involve communication, inspiration, and humanitarianism. Overall, the number 11 in numerology is a powerful and complex number that holds great potential for those who possess it. It is a number that embodies spiritual awareness, intuition, and a higher purpose in life. People with the master number 11 are often seen as visionaries and trailblazers who can inspire and motivate others to achieve great things. They possess a deep understanding of the world and have a unique perspective that allows them to see things from a different angle. This can make them stand out from others, but it can also make them feel isolated or misunderstood at times. The number 11 is also associated with the concept of duality, as it is made up of two identical digits. This duality can manifest in the lives of people with this number, who may struggle with balancing their spiritual and practical sides. They must learn to find a way to integrate these two aspects of themselves in order to live a fulfilling life. In terms of spirituality, the number 11 is believed to represent a gateway between the physical and spiritual worlds. People with this number are thought to have a deep connection to the divine and may experience profound spiritual insights and awakenings throughout their lives. The master number 11 is a complex and powerful number in numerology. People born under this number possess an extraordinary range of talents and abilities, including intuition, empathy, creativity, and leadership. However, they must learn to balance their spiritual gifts with their practical responsibilities in order to fully realize their potential. Master number 11 is a sign of enormous power both mentally and physically. Try to be realistic about your dreams and ambitions, but also try to reach for the stars. It's all about balance, my friend. If you want to learn more about numerology secrets, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Establishing a regular routine is one of the most powerful tools for achieving success in any area of life. It allows us to focus our time and energy on the things that matter most and to build momentum towards our goals. By creating structure and consistency in our daily lives, we can minimize distractions, stay organized, and maintain a sense of control over our circumstances. Remember, small actions taken every day add up to big results over time. So, whether it's waking up at the same time every morning, carving out time for exercise, or setting aside a few minutes each day for self-reflection, commit to establishing a routine that supports your well-being and aspirations. With discipline and dedication, you can create a life of purpose and fulfillment that is grounded in a consistent and intentional daily practice. It's easy to make snap judgments about other people based on their appearance, behavior, or background. But when we do, we run the risk of missing out on getting to know someone truly remarkable. Each person we encounter has a unique story and perspective to offer, and taking the time to listen and learn can open up a world of possibilities. So let's challenge ourselves to resist the urge to judge and instead approach each person with an open mind and heart. By doing so, we can not only build deeper connections with those around us, but also enrich our own lives with the diversity and richness of the human experience. It's easy to have an idea, but seeing it through to fruition takes hard work, dedication, and commitment. It can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. When you make a special effort to see your ideas through, you not only accomplish your goals, but you also gain a sense of personal satisfaction and fulfillment. Remember, every great achievement started with an idea, and it's up to you to turn those ideas into reality. Don't let fear, doubt, or obstacles hold you back. Believe in yourself and your vision, and take the necessary steps to bring it to life. You never know where your ideas may take you or how they may impact the world around you. So, go ahead, make that special effort, and see your ideas through. You may just surprise yourself with what you can accomplish. One more thing, if you are an 11, no one will be able to tell you what your weaknesses and strengths are better than you. Master numbers bestow tons of positive attributes, but even they don't come perfect. Your hypersensitivity can sometimes get in the way. However, if you train your mindfulness, you will go through life much better. So before you fall into a deep hole, ask yourself if there is a lesson hidden in your situation. What can you learn from this moment? It won't be easy at first, but the more you pay attention to it, the easier it will become over time. If you have the master number 11 in your numerology chart, know that you are a unique and special individual with extraordinary abilities. You possess heightened intuition, empathy, creativity, and leadership skills that can make you stand out from the crowd. However, you must learn to balance your spiritual gifts with your practical responsibilities in order to fully realize your potential. Remember that you were born to serve others, and your ability to empathize is directly linked to your mission in life. Trust in your intuition, and have faith in yourself, for you have the power to achieve great things. Remember to take care of yourself and avoid taking on too much responsibility, as stress and anxiety can be overwhelming. With your unique set of skills and abilities, you can leave a remarkable impact on the world. Believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.